Pretty ain't as pretty when you put it in a jar. Something about the glass that changes who we are. Something about a wolf that makes a bird afraid to sing till it learns to fly. Well, that changes everything. Oh honey, I've been thinking, if I could learn to settle like the dust after a storm, if I could just go back to what I knew when I was born, if I could hold the candle far enough away from me that didn't blow it out every time I went to sing. Oh honey, I'm still thinking. Honey, I can tell you stories and I can tell you lies. I can tell you what I see when I see you in my eyes. There's a truth we can't escape anymore, we'll never know. Oh honey, let that songbird go. Just believe it doesn't matter what I do, as long as I'm happy and that love is getting through. If I could just get over being angry at myself, it's just a part of me, it's just a story that I tell. And honey, I sure meant well. And if I wasn't scared to live, and I'd be out there on a limb. If I wasn't scared to lose, and I'd be getting over him. If I wasn't scared to die, and I'll just think what I could do, 'cause heaven needs a songbird too. Honey, I can tell you stories and I can tell you lies. I can tell you what I see when I see you in my eyes. There's a truth we can't escape anymore, we'll never know. Oh honey, let that songbird go. Honey, I can make my wishes and I can make my bed. I can tell you what I see when I see you in my head. There's a truth we can't escape anymore, we'll never know. Oh honey, let that songbird go. Oh honey, let that songbird go. Oh honey, let that songbird go.